The BJP central leadership has expressed dissatisfaction over the announcement made by the party's state chief K. Surendran on Thursday that Metroman E. Sridharan would be the party's chief ministerial candidate. The announcement of Surendran has reportedly shocked the central leaders as the BJP had not announced its chief ministerial candidate for all 5 states where elections are going to be held. Usually, the BJP national leadership announces the chief ministerial candidates in the state, and now Surendran's overture has irked the centre. Surendran made the announcement proposing E. Sridharan as their chief ministerial candidate at the reception arranged for his Vijay Yatra at Tiruvalla in Pathanamthitta on Thursday. Many, including the national media, had reported that Sridharan would be BJP's chief ministerial candidate. While talking to the media at Tiruvalla, Surendran said, "Sridharan has been brought in as the chief ministerial candidate because he wants the state to end the stagnant development of Kerala and have a corruption-free development model for the state." Surendran took a U-turn after the central leaders made their stand clear on the matter. He said what he meant was that people and the party wanted E. Sridharan in the chief minister's post. The chief ministerial candidate would be decided in consultation with the central leadership. "I have not made any announcement. As the chief, I am aware of the party system. A BJP government will be formed in Kerala. I don't have the power to take decisions. E. Sridharan will come and lead from the front. The chief ministerial candidate is decided by the party. There is no confusion over what I said yesterday. The central leadership will say everything when it is time," he said. Meanwhile, E. Sridharan has said he is not the chief ministerial candidature but would lead the campaign for the BJP. "I shall accept it if there is any such proposal from the party. My goal is to serve the people. There I am not worried about the current controversy linking my name to chief ministerial candidate," he said. The technocrat said he did not join the party eyeing any post, and Surendran did not project him as the chief ministerial candidate. He just said, "I would lead the party. The central leadership will decide on the chief ministerial candidate. The state unit of the party is waiting for that," he said. Sridharan added that he had never asked for anything in his life, just accepted what was given to him. News Desk, Kaumudy English.